Hello, it's Oluwatunseyi here. You're welcome back to my channel. Make your natural sweetener date powder at home easily by following these easy steps. These date palm fruits are already washed with water and salt. You can also use vinegar. Make sure you wash quickly and rinse very well. Keep changing the water you use in rinsing until the water looks clear and there are no sand settling at the bottom or at the base of your rinsing bowl. And if you use salt, ensure you rinse off almost immediately so that the dates do not absorb the taste of the salt. Also, you need to rinse quickly for the dates not to soak for too long in the water to help make your dehydrating process faster. After draining, pat dry with a kitchen towel. I used a reusable kitchen towel, after which I used the kitchen scissors that has a special part for handling nuts and seeds. I used it to pit the dates. This makes it faster, easier, and of course safer to have your pitted dates seamlessly. This scissor saves you the hazard of hurting your hand while using the knife, thereby ensuring you do not get yourself injured when trying to use a knife, especially when the dates you have are not the soft type. 4 years ago, I made a video on homemade date syrup. Link in the description, kindly check it out. And in that video, I did mention, after someone asked in the comments under that video, if the seeds are useful or what do I do with the seeds. So watch out in another video what I get to do with the dates seeds. Next thing is to place over the dehydrator for drying. Ensure they do not overlap, so you want to spread uniformly as much as you can for a faster drying. And at this point, I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. And if you are new on this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe and then the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. Thank you very much for being part of this community. I set my dehydrator to 65 degrees Celsius and I kept on checking from time to time. Please note that this may not all get dried in a day if you have fluctuations in power supply. Also, you can sun dry where all conditions are normal, favorable, and you are able to get a drying net which is able to keep safe from dust, insects, and polluted air. Ensure you are patient enough to allow the dates dry up completely to avoid caking after blending. Once dried, you move on to blending. I used the dry mill of my blender and it was nice, very nice. If you are not okay with the texture, you can blend further and also sieve where necessary. I advise you make it as smooth as possible. I also tried to use this industrial blender over here. It was also nice. I decided to pour the remaining into the blender since I have some space to take them at this point. This version of dates is needed for recipes that require a dry form of your sweetener and your date paste or date syrup will not work, especially in some bakings. But of course, you can use the date powder to sweeten any food or drink or use in any recipe of your choice. I sieved accordingly and put back into the blender to blend completely. After blending, spread and let it cool, because at this point, your date powder will be slightly hot or warm as a result of the heat generated from blending. Pour into an airtight container. Make sure it is moist-free. If this video is helpful to you, clicking the subscribe button and the like button would mean a lot to me. What that does for me is it gives me an indication that I am building an audience and community, and that I am creating helpful and informative content for them. Thank you. And there you have it. Your date powder is ready. Please take note. When consuming this, you must remember that it is still sugar. The only difference is that it is natural and not processed. So use in moderation. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.